Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. It's a very cold, snowy, icy morning, and I don't have to be at work for a couple of more hours, so I thought that I would sip on my coffee a little bit. And we would talk about my Glam Bag X since I have to get ready to go to work. I could do a try on of what's in my box. So as usual, it comes with the little magazine-like thing, and this Glam Bag X was curated, I always have trouble saying that word, by Addison Rae, and I got to choose 3 of my products. And then everything else, Glam Bag or IPSY picked for me. So we're going to look at what is in my box, and then I'm going to try on what I can. And I'm going to do it in the order in which I would normally put my makeup on. We have this ACEOLOGY multivitamin brightening biodegradable mask. Illuminates, exfoliates, and strengthens. There are 4 masks in here, and these retail for $59. I know that ACEOLOGY is a really good brand. They're cruelty-free and vegan. So I am looking forward to trying those out. Next we have this MZ Skin, and this is Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. This retails for $143, y'all. $143. Here's what the little jar looks like. It's got the little cover, and then, you know, for $143, y'all could have filled my jar up. So I've already done my skincare, but I'm going to put some of this on my eyes, a little bit on my finger, and I'll warm it up. It feels nice. It has fragrance in it, which, you know, really my eye cream does not need to have fragrance in it. It feels nice. It said to tap. I'm not a tapper, I just rub it on. And the next item that I'll show you is one of my choices, and this is a hair towel. If I remember correctly, I was not super impressed with the choices, but I do like these type of hair towels. Comes in a nice little bag. This retails for $32. It does feel really nice. And here's what the towel looks like. It's kind of odd. It looks like a big old diaper. It has a button and then the loop to loop-de-loo around it. These are the only kind of hair towels. Well, these are the types of hair towels that I use. I don't like to use a bath towel because it's too heavy. It's very hard on your neck, and it also feels like that it's pulling. I can feel it pulling my hair. So I have been using these types of hair towels for years, and I love them. So that's why I chose this, because I wasn't super thrilled about the choices, but this is really nice. It's very soft, so I'm happy to have that. The next item that I got is this Wow. It says Color Wow, extra large, Bombshell Voluminizer. It's for your hair. This retails for $26. And it says it's a foam volumizing. Oh, it says the secret to this foam's volumizing power is bamboo extract. So it's a foam. So why not shake it up? We'll throw some of this Doesn't really have a lot of smell to it. My hair is still just a little damp because I hadn't long ago got out of the shower, so it feels nice. Really doesn't have a lot of fragrance to it, which is fine with me. So I'm trying to learn more about hair products because I don't normally put a lot of hair products in my hair, and since I've gotten all wild and crazy here with the purple, that just blends very nicely into my shirt, doesn't it? I'm trying to learn more about different hair care products to take care of my hair. So the next item that I got is this Ofra. I don't normally record in the morning, so it's really bright in here, and I'm not used to not being able to pick stuff up on the camera. This is Mai Tai Liquid to Baked and Smoothing Blush. This is what the packaging looks like. Oh, oh. The camera is not picking up how orange that is. I mean, it is just not... Okay, you can see it a little bit there. That is very orangey. Okay, well, I said I was going to try it on. I don't know how this is going to go. Alright, so I will go put on the rest of my base face products, and then we'll come back and try out this blush. Okay, I have a little bit of a complexion stick. I'm not a morning person. Complexion stick on. I have put on my eye base and set it. I've done my brows. And now we're going to try out this Ofra. This very orange Ofra Blush. Did I tell you that this retails for $29? I'm going to use my Angie Hot and Flashy A507. Put this on. I'm scared because it looks really... Oh, it's not bad. I don't know how well y'all are going to be able to see this because it's so bright in here in the mornings. Maybe you'll be able to see it better on this side. It's not as orangey as I thought it was going to look. It's pretty. It's very powdery to shield the sun coming in over here. See, you can see it a little bit. That's pretty. I can do that. All right, next we have this Tarte High Performance Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Highlighter, and this retails for $29. And I chose this, I think. Did I choose this? Yes, I chose this and the Ofra blush and the towel. So here's what the packaging looks like. This is in the shade Sparkler, and it has a mirror. And then this is what the shade looks like. It looks very gold. And I did not bring my highlighter brush, so I'll just use this eyeshadow brush. Well, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see that again in this, all the sunshine. Let's put some on my nose. You can kind of see it there on my nose. Alright, and then the next product that I got is this Nubian Palette by JUVIA'S Place. This retails for $20, I believe. Yes, $20. And I did not have this palette, so I have the Nubian 2. Very pretty. I love the green. I like that their palettes do not have a mirror in them because I don't use the mirrors. And look at how pretty this is. That is such a pretty palette. I'm excited to use this. I wish there was one little bit softer brown in it, but Juvia's Place has a really good formula. I have a lot of their palettes and I really like them. I'm going to go here into this. They don't have shade names. Use that as my transition shade because they don't have a lighter color that's not a shimmer. I don't know how this is going to go with this purple shirt. I may have to go change my shirt. I had to go out and start my car, y'all. Let it run. Try to get all that ice off of it. And next I think I'm going to go here. Don't know whether to go here or go here. Here or here. I think I'll go into that darker color. Put that in my outer. Oh yeah. Just run that into my crease. Oh, hi Dexter. That's a really pretty color. I like that. And then I'm going to go here into this shade, I believe. I like this one. I don't know whether I want to do that or the lighter. I'm going to go into this lighter shade. And I'm just going to pick that up on my finger and put that in the center. I don't know why it is that I can always get it exactly where I want to on my left eye, but I have trouble on my right eye. It does not ever look the same. That's very pretty. And then I'm going into this shade here and put that in my inner corner. And then I'm going to go back into that really dark color and put some of that in my under my lower lash. Yeah, I really like this. I was a little concerned that it was going to be a little bit too dark. Let's see if I can use that lid shade, just a little bit of that in my inner corner. Brighten that up a little bit, yeah. Perfect. Will it go under my brow? Just a little bit. And then I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and make sure that that's all blended well. There we go. Very pretty. I really like that palette. And so now I need to put my mascara on and then we will come back and try out the last product. The last item that I got in my box is this UOMA Black Magic Hypnotic Impact High Shine Lipstick. The packaging is really pretty. This retails for $24 and here's what the component looks like. Very pretty. It says Black Magic on it. UOMA is a Black-owned beauty brand. And oh my gosh. Look at how pretty that is. Alright, glittery lips for work. Let's see how this goes. It's almost like a balm. It's very sheer. It's not sticky. It's very hydrating. And I don't see a lot of glitter, even though there's glitter on the actual product. It has a magnet I think everything goes together really well. The eyeshadow, the blush, the lipstick, and the highlighter all go really well together to create a nice look. And then the other product that I got in the add-ons is this Danessa Myricks Vision Flush. This is lip, cheek, and eye color. And I don't remember what I paid for this. Maybe $10. This is in the shade Tiara, which you can't really see that. And here's what that component looks like. You can see the product there in the bottom. It is a liquid. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Wonder what that would look like on my cheeks as a highlighter. I have a few more minutes. Let's find out. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. That would be really pretty since it's a, can you see it? Since it says lips, that would be really pretty over top of a matte lipstick. I love my glowy. I don't know what I'm going to look like when I get outside in the sunshine, but oh, that's really pretty. Hopefully y'all can see that in all of this bright natural light. Okay, so my Glam Bag X has a total value of $362. I must go outside and scrape snow and ice off my car so that I can get to work. I hope that you all have an amazing day or night or afternoon whenever you happen to watch this video. Thank you so much for watching me unbox my Glam Bag X. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel and it sure would make my day. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Christopher, I gotta go to work. What am I gonna tell you? I don't know. Get you a waffle towel to dry off that furry, long mess you got going on your cheeks and your chin. Okay, Mama loves you, boo.